everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the introduction of exponent part 5, which is how to do a negative exponent and then rational exponent. Okay, so what is negative exponent? So 2 to the power of negative 3 is negative exponent. So which is the power is a negative number. Okay, how do we deal with that? So if the power is negative number, we just consider it is power of positive number but under 1. That's it. That's very simple. Okay, so 2 to the power of negative 3 just equal to 2 to the power of 3 and then 1 over 8. So these things, negative power become positive power but in the denominator. And that is exactly what the negative exponent is. Okay, the rational exponent is the root. We call them root. Okay, for example, we have a 2 to the power of 1/2. So this is root. Okay, because this number is in the denominator, we call them root. So the root of 2. The 1 is for the power of 2, and then the 2 is for the root. So it's equal to 2 to the power of 1, and then root of 2. Okay, if there's a 2 here, we just ignore it. We don't write 2. If it's a 3 or 4, we're going to write a number in here. So you can also take a look of my radical videos about this part. Again, so if we have a to the power of 3 over 4, so which means a to the power of 3 to the 4th root. That's it. Okay, so far so good. All right, let's see how do we convert this negative exponent into a positive exponent. Okay, 3 to the power of negative 5 just going to equal to 3 to the power of positive 5 but under 1. That's it. Make sense? All right, so the negative number, don't worry about that. Negative number is not going to hurt you. And then you just leave the negative number here. And then negative 4 is just become positive 4, but overall under 1. Please don't do the negative 4 is not, negative power of 4 is not equal to negative positive 4, okay? So, for example, these things is not equal to negative 12 to the power of 4 and then negative. That's not right. Don't do that. The negative power just equal to the positive power and then under 1. Okay, I remove this. Okay, good. Let's see next one. So here we go. 7 to the power of negative 2. Okay, these things is already in the denominator. What happened? So we don't care. We just 1 over what? 7 to the power of negative 2. 7 to the power of negative 2 just equal to 7 to the power positive 2, 1 over 8. So 1 over 1 over 8. So this is 1 divided by these things. So it is 1 divided by these things, which is times 7 power of 2 over 1. So in this case, equal to 7 to the power of 2. So negative power in the denominator already is become positive power. All right, so this case, same thing here. We are not worried about what inside is. We just say this is 1 over what? 1 over 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 3. It's a 5, sorry, it's a 5. Okay, so whatever is negative power is become positive power and then in the denominator. So 2 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 5. Okay, so it's under 1. So let's make them a little bit closer. We just do 2 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 5, 1 divided, which is 3 to the power of 5 on the top, 2 to the power of 5 on the bottoms, and that's it. Okay, easy enough. All right, this one, 6 to the power of 1/2. Remember, the 1/2 means root. A rational power just means the root. Okay, so 6 and then 1 to the power of 1 and then square root of 2. So in this case, we're just going to write root of 6. So because we don't need to write 1 here, we don't need to write the 2 here. All right. Now here, negative 5 to the power of 1/3. Okay, so negative 5 still the base to the power of 1. We don't write 1 here. And then root. Root of what? Root of 3. So be cubic root here. Done. All right, the 3 to the power of 4 over 5. So 3 is the base, right? This top, the numerator just to the power here. The denominator, and then it's the root. Root of what? Root of 5. That's it. Now, this case, we suppose convert it into the power forms. So 7 to the power of 5. So be 5 on the top as the numerators. And then the denominator is the root. We don't see a number here. That means implied it is 2. So it will be 2. That's how you do a rational expressions and then negative expressions. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comment below. I will answer your questions in my next video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.